Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update the Fampay app, connect to stable Wi-Fi or 4G, and have your registered phone and ID ready. Once done, log in and go straight to Keeper settings. Note any error code or visible message. This matters because many Keeper issues are caused by outdated apps or mismatched account details. Make sure permissions for storage and SMS are allowed. Those let Keeper verify tokens and fetch data. Now you're ready to proceed into targeted fixes. Next, tackle the complex steps. Clear Fampay cache and app data, then re-add the Keeper entry so tokens refresh. If that fails, reboot the device to clear lingering processes. Meanwhile, verify KYC fields match exactly name, date of birth, and mobile number, because mismatches break token validation. Also check background sync and server status. Toggle auto sync off then on, and force a manual sync. These actions reset credentials and reconnect Keeper services reliably. To finish, re-authenticate using the OTP flow and complete any pending KYC or consent prompts. This renews the Keeper token. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall Fampay, then restore your account using the registered email or phone. This forces a clean state. Make sure to back up screenshots of errors. Troubleshooting tip. If the problem remains, contact Fampay support with screenshots and the exact error code. Support can reset server-side credentials faster than device fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.